me try this one. Surely we can get out this way.
Morning.
Hi. It's too bad we're not shopping for things like this. Welcome to Market, ladies. There's probably, how many escalators do you think there are at Market? Millions? Hundreds? Surrounded by so many beautiful things. Day one, and we are. Day one, Erica's done. Look at our beautiful view. Day two. We're so fresh and happy on day two. Here we go. Erica, what are we doing?
We're checking our coats.
Have you ever done that before?
I've never done this. Living in Florida my whole life, it's my first experience checking a coat. It's very foreign to me.
This is like lighting heaven. I know this little guy is on anthropology. This is how we travel at Market. We just came from lighting heaven and now we're in pillow heaven and fabrics. It's ridiculous. What you doing? Enjoying this view right here. Market continues to surprise me. I wish I had a client that would want something like this. So, one of the best parts of Market, there's lots of free drinks and food everywhere. You need a Buddha.
This is Tori's tipsy period.
They put a lot of vodka in this.
What's wrong?
I think my legs might stop working. Twinsies. Do you ever think we would shop Christmas a year early?
No. We just got done with Christmas.
Day two, Erica has her eyes open and she's smiling. It was another successful day at Market.
It was fun.
Yay! Good morning. So, you know, the weatherman said it was gonna snow 100% chance. It's snowing. It's day 3 in Atlanta and we are headed to Market. Here's a sneak peek at next year's Sip and Shop. Erica, do you want to see any more goods?
No. I'm excited about what we like and what we picked, but
This ponytail.
everything's blending together and looks the same, so
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm officially marketed out.